stuff.
Aim down.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa.
That went out. We gotta try again.
Okay.
We gotta try again. Okay?
Turn around.
First, they gotta go all the way back there, and then we'll start going up again. Because if I just start going this way fast, boom, right into the door.
Okay. Turn it around. Turn it around. Okay, I'll hold on.
Help me get ready.
I'll hold on the back, okay?
Okay, I got.
Alright. Alright.
There, and now.
Okay. Let's push, push. Straight down the driveway, okay? Go. You're doing it. You're doing it. I got it. Awesome! I got it. Okay. Okay. That was awesome, Cordelia. Should we do it one more? Here, let's do it again. Whoops! Let's do it the other way. Alright, you ready?
Okay.
Alright, go, 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 go. That's it. Woohoo! Alright. Well, this is right into the sun. I don't think we can see much of this. Let's try one more down the driveway, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll come help you. Alright. Ready?
Ready.
Alright. There you go. There you go. Straight down the driveway. Whoa! Okay. Very nearly got all the way down. Oops, did you bash yourself? Uh-oh.
It hurts, but it didn't get a boo-boo.
Oh, thank goodness.
Badly hurts.
Oh.
Scratch there, though.
Oh boy.
One there. But that one not by the bike. I got that one in New York.
Oh, okay.
I had send it to Mom.
Alright, hang on. Let's stop now. Cordelia's first bicycle ride all by herself. Captured on film.